How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually turn on quiet mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to turn on quiet mode, which means that even if people send you a message you're not going to get notified of it, it's actually quite very simple to do so. For this, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application. Then just go to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the profile icon from the bottom right, just tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Here in the search bar, just type in quiet mode and you'll find this little toggle which is the search option. Go to quiet mode and turn on quiet mode, and then quiet mode will get successfully enabled. You can even schedule it, but if you don't want to mess with that, you can just leave it on, and later when you think that you want to turn it off, just come back and turn off the quiet mode. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.